then I'll be right there. When make I come check you, my baby. No time, no. Send me the look.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I have this lovely hair that I'm wearing by Tinashehair. Yes, I will put the link to the hair in the description below. Everything you guys need to know about this hair will be in the information below. And yeah, so let me know what you guys think. So what do you guys think about it? For if you guys want to see more videos like this, like if you guys want to see how I install this hair, definitely stay tuned for the rest of the video, and let's get into the video right now. Today's video is brought to you by Tinashehair. In today's package we got the hair, 22-inch body wave, and we also came in with some lashes and a hairnet. So let's jump right into the video. Welcome back. As you can see, I semi did my hair, and like I said, today's video is brought to you by Tinashehair. If I said that name right, if I'm not saying it right, I'll put it here in the, it will be in the description. And this is a, take it out of the package. So this is what the hair looks like. So this is a water wave. It is a 22-inch water wave. It's a 13 by 6 closure. As you can see, it has 1, 2, the 3 pins, and I also went in, I did a little bit of customization to this wig and stuff like that. So we are just going to install this wig and yeah, do a quick install. I want to show you guys how. And I forgot to mark out where I want my stuff to go. Okay, and these holes are for the pins that I put in my hair, because I actually like to have it pinned down just for tighter secure on my head. And we are going to do a little bit of an adjustment. So I'm gonna play with it a little bit just to see where I need to have it adjust. And then yeah, your girl's gonna go from there. Right, okay, so I think that should be okay. All right, so sometimes you have to finesse the wigs and then go from there. So I'm finishing to get this side done, so take it down. All right, so now I've tacked down the other side. I'm just going to go in with this. I'm going to use this first. Go in with this. And I'm going to tie this hair down. Actually, I like to hold it. Alright. I'm going to tie it down. Then I'm going to go in with this. And then, and all I do to make sure it's at the right part, I just moved here where I could see it, and I could see that so now that I have that done, try and get some of the hair out of the way. So I am going to, so I'm going to go in with my brush, and I'm just going to comb out the hair.
Look good, then I'll be right there. When make I come check you, my baby. No time, no. Send me the look good, then I'll be right there. When make I come check you, my baby. No time, no. Send me the look good, then I'll be right there. When make I come check you, my baby. No time, no. Send me the look good, then I'll be right there. When make I come check you, my baby. No time, no.
Alright guys, so this is the finished product of the hair. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think. Do you like it? This is how the hair look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and definitely let your girl know what other type of videos you guys would love to see on this channel. So yeah, I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys.
Tell you over talk and over dress and over sleep with no one to elevate them, feel them alone for do it big.